Very good afternoon, students. I welcome you all in my GK class. Today we are going to study about Let's Dress Up. In this chapter, we will learn the different clothes of different countries. Okay, so let's start. You all can see in the first picture one man and a lady there, right? And the name of the boy is Rahman and the name of the girl is Ria, and they both had wore Japanese dress, and this is known as kimonos, right? This dress is known as kimonos. Okay, they are also wearing the traditional footwear in their feet, and it is known as gaita. What do we call the Japanese footwear that is traditional footwear? That is known as gaita. Okay, and what do we call their traditional dress? It is known as kimonos. Okay, is it clear? They both had wore kimonos, and on their feet they both had wore a footwear named gaita. Is it clear? Moving to next picture, you all can see in the picture two ladies are there, and they both had wore a red dress, and this dress is known as Chongas. This dress is known as Chongas, and this is the very popular dress of China. This is the very popular dress of China. It's known as Chongas. These girls, their name are Sheena and Meena, right? Chongas is a very tight fitting dress. You all can see in the picture that their dress is very tight. Their dresses are very tight, right? And with the high neck. You all can see their neck are closed with that collar, right? It's popularly known as Chongas, and it is the very popular dress of China. Moving to next picture, you all can see in the picture a boy and girl there. The name of the boy is James and the name of the girl is Jenny, right? And they are from Scotland, right? And they both had wore the national dress of Scotland. Okay, James is wearing a knee length kilt made of tartan, right? They both had wore, James, especially James, he had wore a knee length kilt. It is known as tartan and woven cloth with checked bands, while Jenny is wearing a skirt and a shawl made of tartan. Both of them are wearing shoes, and what do we call their shoes? It's popularly known as Gile Borgos in Scotland. Is it clear? Moving to next picture, you all can see the name of the girl is Misha and the name of the boy is Manish. Though they both had wore a Korean dress, and this Korean dress is known as Hanbok. What do we call Korean dress? We call it Hanbok. Misha's hanbok is made of long skirt. You all can see in the picture that Misha had wore a long skirt in red color, and this long skirt is known as chima. And a jacket, and you all can see that she had wore a cream of white jacket, and this jacket is known as chogori. Okay, and the boy's dress also known as hanbok, and it includes loose fitting trousers. You all can see that he had wore a trousers, and we call this trouser paji, right? And he also had wore a long jacket with the shirt. Is it clear? Now I'm moving to the next slide, and in this picture you all can see Lala and Jahan. They both from India, right? They both had wore Indian dress. Their names are Lala and Jahan, right? Lala is wearing a sari. You all can see in the picture. It's very popular in India, right? And we all know the name of this cloth. This is known as sari. While Jahan is wearing a kurta and dhoti. We all are very much aware about these dresses, right? We all can see in our family also that our father wore this kind of dress, kurta and dhoti, on the very special occasion of Holi, Diwali, and our mama, our grandmothers, they also wore sari, right? Moving to next picture, Neha is wearing a Russian sarafan, right? She had wore a Russian sarafan. Neha, the girl with red dress, She loves this long embroidery dress. You know, she loves to wear this dress. She is also wearing a coco shink on her head. You all can see that she had wore a crown like structure on her head, and this one is known as kokoshnik, right? And the Russian footwear volinki, which is made of wool. Is it clear? And now we are going to talk about traditional dress of Saudi Arabia, right? Hasina, the girl name is Hasina and the boy name is Hussein. The girl, you can see, wore a black dress. It is known as abaya. And the boy named Hussein, he had wore thob. It is known as thob, a very long dress till his ankle, right? That is known as thob. He also had wore a gutra and eagle on his head. You can see the man had wore something on his head, and it is known as gutra and eagle. Is it clear to all? Now we will do the quick revision. The first is turban, right? Turban is especially worn by the Sikh people, right? And you know that it is also worn by the village of Sarpanch. Turban is known as pagri, and that is especially worn by the Sikh people, and it is also worn by the village of Sarpanch of a village. Okay. And the next one is felt hat. This one is also a traditional hat, and it's very popular among among youngsters, also among old ager also. They love to wear this hat. This hat is very popular. The second one is fez. Fez is popularly worn by Shriners, right? And it is also worn by the people of Morocco and Balkans. And is it clear? The next one is known as sombrero, and sombrero is a very popular cap, especially worn by the people of Morocco, the people of Mexican. Sorry, it is Mexican, right? Fez is worn by the people of Morocco, Fez, Morocco, and sombrero is normally worn by the people of Mexican and people of US. Okay. Is it clear to all?